Hello there, this is the Lego Star Wars set 753888 plus Jedi Bob Starfighter from Rebuild the Galaxy. Comes with 2, maybe 3 minifigs. The Starfighter. I paid more than I paid more than I think it's worth. But I will talk about it at the end of the video. So let's look at the zip. Here are the zip. From on top it all look pretty cool. The white, the red and the grey makes an interesting shape. I placed that sticker a bit weird, so probably fix that. And that one I feel is a bit too up. But other than that, I did think I did a decent job. Here is the underneath. 2 clips. A landing gear. Some engines, similar to Anakin's custom starfighter. Same with these guns. And have some spin-loaded shooters. That can fire. Underneath it is pretty hollow. Have 2 clips here for the lightsaber and spin-loaded shooter. The ammo. These technic yards make it a bit more sturdy. 3 engines at the back, and all 5 have this yellow thruster. Something that I found when I was building is these guns. I have this black pushed forward a bit. Because if I put it where it's supposed to be, the black pieces wants to fall off. And it is annoying, but I have an idea of how to fix it. And I'm gonna modify the guns. And maybe modify here. But I do wish at least that piece, sticker, and some of these, maybe these, were printed. The cockpit has holes. That's not very good of Lego. A headrest. But you can fit a minifig. And here are the controls. With some red rectangles. Some silver pieces and detail. And you can fit Jedi Bob, and he has a cloth cape. A bit tough, but eventually it can fit. But it is also quite easy. Tough but easy. Here there is a compartment with a banana and a milk bucket For the price of this set, kind of wish this was printed with a milk detail from a Luke's party bag, but that's apparently wishful thinking. And that is it, I think, for Jedi Bob Starfighter. Have some detail there. I do like the details of every sticker except for that one. Feels unnecessary. But that is the Starfighter. Now to the minifigs. Here are the minifigs in this set. Jedi Bob, Ackbar Trooper, and Gonk Droid. The Gonk Droid has a green piece, a control panel. It has a cool color scheme, an exhaust, 2 feet, something that fits Rebuild the Galaxy, but is all this 1x2 flat grey piece, 1x2 grill piece. It fits for the theme of the set of the miniseries, but still looks interesting. Ackbar Trooper, a regular clone trooper with an Mon Calamari headpiece. Looks like Admiral Ackbar head, but some detail at the back. But that is it for the Ackbar Trooper. The Jedi Bob has some detail. He's a yellow skin tone. And his torso and up here, Jobs looks like it has details of use over time. A belt buckle. You can remove the hood. That is the back. No detail. New brown and grey. Jedi Bob has 2 faces. The face on newer version from the face from the 2002 gunship, a smile, and a new face, a stern face. Some yellow skin tone here, black eyes. He looks cool, and it fits his character. And that is it for the figures. Now on to the final thoughts. And that is the set. The set is cool. I like the figures. And it has some interesting play features. The color scheme is cool. The 2 things I don't like, those guns, that if I don't have it on that place, it will fall out. And the price. I paid 529 Swedish money. And in dollars, this set is around $40, which I think is too much. I only care about Bob and his Starfighter. Ackbar Trooper and Gonk Droid, not that interesting. here are some extra pieces, stickers, the instruction booklet. So not the best priced set and not the best set, but a really good and cool set. The set is worth more than $40, but not as much as $40. And when it comes to kronos, I don't know the conversions at the moment. So they'll probably look that one up. But that is for a future review. So for now, this has been it. So please like, share and subscribe to help my YouTube channel grow so I can make more videos in the future.